Just about every open home I go to these days has the same white walls and designer furniture. It's all so bland. It's like the owner's personality has been ripped right out of it. So it was refreshing this week to meet the interior designer and colourist Rikki Stubbs. She says the exact opposite is needed if you're looking for a buyer this winter.
A colour naturally on the warmer side of the scale of colours will not just look warmer, will feel warmer. So if I was repainting and getting a house ready for sale and I knew I was doing it in winter, I would not put a stark white paint on the walls, despite what the real estate agent will say. I would put a warm neutral on the wall and add colour to it, as much colour really as you can. I think a bit more furniture makes a house feel warm. Often when a house is being styled for sale, they'll just put the bare minimum: table, 4 chairs, sofa. You know, that's not how people live. They have more furniture than that. So, and obviously more pieces of furniture make a house feel warm. Well, you know, this house is great. It's got a big chocolate leather sofa, which is quite a wintry, nice, warm feeling, and they've added a colour in the cushions with a rust cushion or a tan cushion on the floor. But what you could do is bring in some furniture. You've got a new renovation and you have all brand new furniture. I think it's really important to bring in some things that are old. Old things make a house feel more settled. And I don't think you want to depersonalize a house as much as real estate agents say, because they're depersonalized to the point that they don't feel that anyone has ever lived there. And I think that people want to feel, they don't necessarily want to see your family album, but they want to feel like they could live there. And if someone has been happy there, then they think they could be too. This little house in Reservoir Street is so cute. It needs just a few little touches would make all the difference. They've got a great pony skin rug on the floor and it looks fantastic with the leather sofa. So move the pony skin rug up next to that sofa and take the floral cushions, which came from the bedroom and were left over from that bedroom cover, take them out and do something else. Put something else on this leather couch. It's more rustic down here. For winter, it's really important to use soft furry textiles, like these ones are velvet, and that, you know, and this is sort of corduroy. Those sort of textures and fabrics, well, fabrics with texture actually give warmth to a room. And the other thing that they've done is they have lent a painting up against the wall above the fireplace, which gives a really temporary look to the house. It's quite clear when that's done that this has been styled for sale, and I think it's really important that it looks like people actually live there. So hang the painting and fix the hole later. It's a minor issue in a sale.
Some great advice there from Rikki Stubbs. So look out for more tips in Rikki's column in the Sun Herald. It's called The House Whisperer. Rikki can also be heard on 2UE each Sunday at 5 p.m. She'll answer your questions about design and renovation. So give her a call. See you next week.